Alright, let's take a closer look at the Fluke 302 Plus. I'm turning the box around so you can see all sides. And here is the 302 Plus marking right here. Let's stop for a moment on the back so you can see the details. Okay, let's open the box. Here is the quick reference guide. Here is the carrying case. And here is a safety sheet. Alright, that's everything. Let's move the box aside. Let's take a quick look at the safety sheet, just flipping through the pages here. Now the quick reference guide. Here is the first page, and here is the second page. Here is the carrying case. Let me show you the whole thing from all sides. It has good quality. It has a strap with Fluke sign on it and good zippers. So let's unzip this, and here is the meter inside the case. Let's take the clamp meter out. We'll check it later. Now the probes. This is the overall look at the probes of this clamp meter. Let me put this aside. Okay. Here is a full look at both of them. Let me take out the probe cover. Okay, this is the red tip and this is the connectors of it. This is the black connector and here is the black tip of the probes. Okay, now for the clamp. Let's see it properly. Here is the CAT safety parameter and here is the 400 amps marking. I can easily open the job, but not that easy. It takes some power to open it. Here is the back of the meter and here is the button where the probes connect. Okay, and a closer look around the edges and another look at the back as well. This is the clamp meter battery compartment and these signs are at the battery compartments and we need to unscrew it to open the battery. Let's open it up. And here are the batteries. It takes 2 batteries at the back of it. I unscrewed it before. Let's put it back. Now the front. Switching to AC voltage, DC voltage, and resistance measuring, and AC current measuring modes. This is the hold button. Let's press it and there is the hold icon on the screen. Okay. This is the backlit button. Okay, now we are connecting the red probe and the black probe. And when the tips touch in resistance mode or continuity mode, you get the continuity beep. And that's everything inside the Fluke 302 Plus box. If you want more unboxing videos, comment it below, like and subscribe our channel.